Okay, now I'm going to deviate from my pattern of videos a little bit and tell people who do not have a kit at home how they can use a gingham fabric that they've stretched over an embroidery hoop and locked it in place, tightened it in place, to use the lines and the blocks on the gingham to be their guides. I've already told you about the straight stitch, and that's the most basic stitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap this blue, dark blue embroidery floss. Oh, I don't know how long of a piece, couple of feet. And I'm going to clip the floss. And I'm going to use all 6 strands for this, for this straight stitch. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to thread it, which will take just a second. Okay, I'm using a large-eyed needle. So I've pulled one end of the thread through the needle. Now I'm going to knot the other end, and here's how I tie an embroidery knot. 1, 2, and you take that tail, push it through the circle, hold the tail while you pull the thread tight. I'm using all 6 strands. Now I'm going to show you. I showed you that we needed a straight line. Well, there's our straight line going clear across there, and we're doing a straight stitch. Or we need to get so good at this, we don't even need a straight line. We just know it's there, and we follow accordingly. But remember how we bring our needle up from the bottom of one stitch, and you go down through the fabric at the bottom of that same stitch. Or you could say up from the side. Depends on whether you're calling this the bottom or the side. Up from the bottom, over to the side. And that's all that's involved in doing a straight stitch.